Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show a simple way how you can easily delete a resume in Indeed. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is spin Indeed and then go to right up corner to your account, and now you're gonna see my reviews and profile. So click on your profile, and when you're gonna be here, you can simply download the resume, share link, or remove your resume and profile. So remove resume, okay. And then you just like upload the resume or upload new resume. That's like up to you. And this is pretty much it how you do it. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. And yeah. Have a great day everybody, and goodbye. See ya.